Imagine staying at a resort where the swimming pool isn't just an amenity, it's woven through the entire property. Welcome to Sheraton Hua Hin. Set along the quieter Cha Am coastline, Sheraton Hua Hin Resort and Spa is designed around a remarkable 560-meter lagoon pool that winds between low-rise buildings and tropical gardens, creating an open, breezy atmosphere from the moment you arrive. Despite its name, the resort actually sits between Cha Am and Hua Hin. From either Suvarnabhumi or Don Muang Airport, expect roughly a 2.5 hour to 3 hour drive, making it an easy weekend escape from Bangkok. One thing I immediately appreciated was the resort's layout. Instead of towering hotel blocks, everything is spread across landscape gardens connected by shaded walkways and waterways. It creates a relaxed space, even where walking back to your room becomes part of the holiday experience. While the rooms are beginning to show their age, they have aged gracefully. More importantly, they are generously sized and exceptionally well maintained. The warm Thai hospitality is evident from the moment you step inside, with thoughtful welcome touches that make the room feel prepared specifically for your arrival rather than simply turn over for the next guest. The spacious layout also means there's plenty of room for families without feeling cramped. This is undoubtedly the room's headline feature. Open the balcony doors and you are only a few steps away from the resort's signature lagoon pool. It's a level of convenience that very few resorts can genuinely offer. Back inside, the room continues to impress with practical comfort rather than flashy luxury. The Sheraton signature bed remains wonderfully comfortable after a full day exploring Hua Hin, while the hospitality team added a charming welcome decoration that immediately made the room feel more personal. I also like the generous sofa area, which easily doubles as an additional sleeping space, making these rooms especially practical for families traveling with young children. One quirky design detail is the connection between the bathroom and the bedroom, allowing you to soak in the bathtub while still enjoying views across the room and out towards the pool. The bathroom reflects the same philosophy as the bedroom, slightly classic in its design, yet spacious, functional, and well maintained. The amenities are solid, and I'm always pleased to see the Gilchrist and Somers toiletries, which remain one of my favorites across the Marriott portfolio. The real highlight, however, is the oversized bathtub. It's easily large enough for 2 adults and perfectly positioned so that you can enjoy the open view towards the bedroom, giving the entire space a much more luxurious feel than the age might suggest. The Lagoon Pool is undoubtedly the heart of this resort, stretching approximately 560 meters through almost the entire property. Rather than a single large swimming pool, it feels like a network of interconnected waterways that invite you to explore. The resort itself is divided into 8 accommodation blocks, with 4 on each side of the lagoon. One helpful detail to know is that the first 2 blocks nearest to the lobby have glass safety barriers between the balconies and the pool, while the outer blocks offer direct, unobstructed access. If you are traveling with young children, it's worth requesting a room that best suits your family needs. If you prefer a more traditional swimming pool, you'll find another one at the far end of the resort beside the beach. While it doesn't have the novelty of the lagoon, it more than makes up for it with its setting. Looking out across the Gulf of Thailand, it's the kind of pool that's easy to lose track of time, whether you're taking a swim or simply relaxing at one of the many lounges. The uninterrupted sea view gives this part of the resort a completely different atmosphere from the lagoon area. There is even a petanque court for anyone looking to enjoy a leisurely game. The beachfront itself has a very different character from many of Thailand's calmer island beaches. During my stay, the sea was noticeably rough and the coastal winds were surprisingly strong, creating an atmosphere that's dramatic rather than tranquil. Although it wasn't ideal for swimming, it made for a wonderful place to slow down, listen to the crashing waves, and enjoy the constant sea breeze. Comfortable lounges are spread across the lawn overlooking the beach, offering plenty of space to unwind with a book or simply watch the changing colors of the Gulf of Thailand. It's a reminder that not every beach experience has to revolve getting around into the water. Sometimes, simply being beside the sea is enough. One facility that genuinely exceeded my expectations was the Kids Club. Forget the small indoor playrooms that many resorts label as children's facilities. Sheraton has created an expansive space that feels more like a dedicated recreation center, complete with outdoor play areas, a climbing wall, swings, and even a miniature outdoor kitchen where organized cooking activities are held. Inside, the space is bright, air-conditioned, and exceptionally well maintained. There is an impressive selection of toys and activities suitable for children of different ages, along with comfortable seating where parents can relax while keeping an eye on their little ones. Throughout my visit, there was always at least one member of staff present, creating a welcoming environment and giving parents extra peace of mind. Unsurprisingly, the colourful indoor ball pit was an instant favourite. The outdoor activity area regularly hosts simple cooking classes and other supervised activities, giving children another reason to look forward to each day. Every morning at 9, children can help feed the fish in the nearby pond. It's a small activity, but one that perfectly reflects the resort's attention to creating memorable experiences for younger guests. Breakfast is easily one of the highlights of staying here. After spending 2 mornings at the resort, one thing stood out immediately. The buffet doesn't simply repeat itself. While the staples remain, many of the freshly prepared dishes change from day to day, turning breakfast into a small daily adventure rather than a predictable routine. The selection is extensive without feeling overwhelming. Fresh tropical fruits, pastries straight from the oven, made-to-order eggs, local Thai favorites, and a generous range of international dishes means there's genuinely something for almost every palate. Whether you're after a light breakfast or something that's more substantial before heading out for the day, you'll have no trouble putting together a satisfying meal. What impressed me most wasn't just the variety, it was the consistency. Despite the size of the buffet, the food was continually replenished and remained fresh throughout breakfast service. The chefs were constantly preparing dishes in small batches, which meant the quality never felt compromised, even during busier periods. The The outdoor breakfast area features a rotating selection of freshly prepared specialties, including grilled meats, regional Asian dishes, and chefs' daily creations. Just like the indoor buffet, these offerings change from one morning to the next, giving returning guests something new to discover. It's a thoughtful approach that rewards those staying for multiple nights instead of serving exactly the same menu every day. Families haven't been forgotten either. There is a dedicated children's corner with familiar finger foods that younger diners are likely to enjoy, alongside small activity areas to keep little ones entertained while parents finish their breakfast. It's another example of how the resort has clearly designed many of its facilities with families in mind. The live cooking stations add another layer to the experience. Watching dishes prepared fresh to order not only guarantees they are served hot, but also lets you customize them to your own preferences. It's a small detail that makes breakfast feel far more personal than simply choosing from trays that have been sitting on the buffet counter. By the end of my stay, breakfast had become something I genuinely look forward to each morning. It's the combination of variety, freshness, and thoughtful daily changes that keeps the experience enjoyable, even if you are staying for several nights. During the day, the Sundara Sports Lounge is a comfortable spot for a casual drink or a light meal, especially if you're looking for somewhere cool to escape the afternoon heat. For a more relaxed setting, the Luna Lanai overlooks the beach with an open-air seating that makes the most of the sea breeze, particularly around sunset when the atmosphere becomes even more inviting. If you'd like to explore beyond the resort, the concierge can take you to the main road by buggy. It's a thoughtful service, though the walk back takes around 7 to 8 minutes unless you happen to catch a returning buggy. Directly across the road sits the FN Factory Outlet, a surprisingly large shopping stop that's well worth browsing if you have an hour to spare. I visited early in the morning, so the place felt almost deserted. As it turned out, I had simply arrived before the crowds, and I definitely did not leave empty-handed. Sheraton Hua Hin isn't the newest resort, but its unique lagoon design, warm hospitality, and family-friendly facilities make it one I gladly return to. Some hotels are memorable because they're luxurious, others are memorable because they are unique. Sheraton Hua Hin manages to be both in its own understated way. While the rooms are beginning to show their age, the signature Lagoon Pool, the exceptional kids club, the rotating breakfast experience, and the genuine Thai hospitality make this a resort that's easy to recommend.